Once upon a time.
In the lush green jungle, there lived a friendly crocodile named Crackles. Crackles was not like other crocodiles. He didn't like scaring other animals or chasing them. Instead, Crackles loved to swim in the calm waters of the river and bask in the warm sun. One sunny morning, Crackles heard a distressed squeaking noise coming from the bushes nearby. Curious, he went to investigate and found a tiny mouse trapped under a fallen branch. The mouse looked scared and helpless. "Oh no, are you okay?" Crackles asked, his big eyes full of concern. The mouse sniffled and replied, "I'm stuck, Mr. Crocodile. Please help me." Crackles didn't hesitate. With his strong jaws, he gently lifted the branch, freeing the mouse. The mouse scurried away, thanking Crackles over and over again. From that day on, Crackles made a new friend. The mouse, named Munch, would often visit Crackles by the riverbank, bringing him berries and sharing stories of his adventures in the jungle. As time passed, Crackles noticed something remarkable happening. Other animals in the jungle started to see him differently. They no longer saw him as a scary predator, but as a kind and helpful friend. One day, when a group of monkeys found themselves in trouble, they didn't run away in fear. Instead, they called out for Crackles, knowing he would come to their aid. And Crackles did just that, using his strong tail to build a bridge for the monkeys to cross safely. Word of Crackles' kindness spread throughout the jungle, and soon, animals from all corners came to him for help and advice. Crackles was happy to assist them all, knowing that being kind was the best way to live. And so, dear children, the moral of Crackles' story is that kindness can change how others see us. By being kind and helpful, we can make friends and spread happiness wherever we go.
The end. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and get more wonderful videos just like this.